So what do we have here? We have a cut down Amazon box. We have some tin foil, aluminium foil. We have some contact adhesive and some tape. And yet another cut down box. Well, what I'm making is Homegrown Veg's, what he calls his free Amazon light box. And it's for casting light on your seedlings indoors. So you put them on a windowsill and you put a reflective light box behind them, and voila, your plant gets plenty of good light and it doesn't get too leggy. So I'll get on and finish this. All I've got to do is line the inside of this with aluminium foil. So I'll get back to you when that's done. And HGV's channel will be linked above and in the description below this video. So make sure you check him out. He's got loads of great ideas, growing in small spaces, growing from containers, growing really without spending a fortune on stuff. So really do check him out, he's great. Okay, I discovered how hard it is to cut tin foil with a box cutting knife, but I struggled away, and what I've done is I've just finished off the edges with this vinyl tape, and that's all the edges where the foil meets the edges, and it'll be fairly easy to patch, because if you get a cut on it, you just literally just stick on another piece of foil. So that's it. I'm going to put that now into that south facing bedroom window, and hopefully it'll stop my seedlings getting too leggy. So there we are, it's in situ, and the light source is provided by Mother Nature, and the box design by HGV. Make sure you check him out. Thanks for watching. Hey friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications for all my future videos. It would be great to hear from you in the comments, and I'll try to get back to as many of you as possible. You may wish to check out these titles, or even help me out with a donation using the links in the description below the video. Thanks for watching.